In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an account with the Obimy app. So first and foremost, download the Obimy app from your app store and open it up. When you first open the app, tap on the Let's Go button at the bottom. This will give you a little introduction of what the app is about. So just continue on with the selections at the bottom to continue to create your account. Now it will ask you to input your telephone number, so put in your mobile number and then hit the next button. It will then send a verification code and it should automatically bring you on to the next screen. Now you'll get two options here. It will give you an option of, if you already have an account, to sign in with your Google account, or if you don't have an Obimy account, then tap on sign up. So that's what we're going to tap on now. Now you just have to input a few details here, so put your name, your birth and your gender in, and then tap on ready to roll. And now it will bring you on to a screen which will again describe how to use the app. But that is your Obimy account created, and that's all there is to creating your Obimy account. Hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Until next time, peace.